Hi guys, I'm Janine. Welcome. You're in my kitchen with me. I'm not cooking at this moment. I did a small haul from Dollar Tree I want to share with you and some ideas and things you may like to get for yourself. Okay, so let me put my glasses on because I can't see nothing without them. Okay, they're a little dirty. Now, the favorite thing, I went there because, like anything else, I don't know if you're like me, but you ever start to condense and clean your closets like I've been doing in my Janine's Life videos and cleaning stuff out and organizing? Well, I just kept going and going and going. I even cut my hair to refresh. It starts with one little chore, and for me, it just keeps going, and I get addicted. So today I said, you know what? I worked on the pantry closet, and I want to get all my Christmas stuff in clear bins I could see. So I went there for that. And if you're like me, whenever you go to Dollar Tree, you go for 2 items and come out with 12. We all know it. But I love walking around that store and looking because you always find something you weren't looking for that really is needed. For me, today it was this. Okay? It may seem like a little deal, no big deal. It was $1.25, I believe, or maybe now $1.50. Who knows? It's by McCormick. Whenever you go into their kitchen area with their spoons and things, I like to get the stuff by McCormick because I just like them. Now look at that. Okay, this is a pop down strainer. Okay, let me tell you why I'm so thrilled with this. It is bigger than my regular one. I always have 2 portions something, whether I'm washing broccoli or grapes or something. It's only me and Vinny. So this is the ideal size. And I'll tell you what, I am not going to be sorry or miss. I am sick of this. Every time I try to close my drawer, it catches on somewhere. It's very durable. It's adorable. It's not durable. It is. It's copper, but it stains up. Look at that. It starts to get tarnished. It is quite small, okay, even for a whole basket of strawberries. They're at the top. Now look in comparison. This is perfect. I am so much more happy. I'll do everything in here. My pasta, my vegetables, my fruit, whatever. I love it. And then I love this, okay, that it could go right in there or on a wall. Love, love, love this. So if that helps you guys out or you're in need of something like that, I grabbed it. Next, I have this bowl. I have this bowl not for cereal. You see me when I'm cooking in the Janine's kitchen with this, a recipe or something. It's the perfect size for small items. Even when I'm serving guests and stuff, olives, whatever. Think about it. I kind of use it for my personal. If I'm going to have a little macaroni salad or something, I always grab this bowl, and I love it. So I picked up another one I saw there. Okay, it was $1.50. I picked it up because you know what? Now I have 2 of them, and I think that's good enough for me. Vinny's got to get out the goop be gone, and we'll do that because I just washed it. So that's another great thing. And they have lots. They even have the dishes, if you like glass dishes. I'm not a fan. I had them back in the day. I like my standard white on white. Everything matches, never out of style. Now, I go there. I like certain spices there. They have a ton, and you're going to get them a lot cheaper. There's nothing wrong with their spices. All it is, and I'm telling you, I believe this, they're the rejects that don't fill all the way to the top. That's all it is. Complete by Badia. I love this. You guys see me cook with it a lot. And it's expensive, more expensive in the supermarket. Of course, you get a bigger jar and whatever. But for this, $1.25 for me, I'm thrilled. I'm in. This is perfect. And this lasts me months, a couple of months. Seriously, about 4 months. So I love that. Then I didn't see this last time, but I saw it this time, the Adobo by Badia. This is very good too. Originally, I thought it had a lot of sodium, but it doesn't. It has 250 milligrams, and I use only a small amount in combination to do my chicken thighs before I put them in the air fryer, my pork chops. Those are the 2 things I only use it for. I wouldn't put this on pasta or steak or anything like that. So they last me quite a while. They're name brands, Badia's name brand, and they're good. So I go there for that. I grabbed them. Now, this is something, like I said, I love perusing or going up and down the aisles and looking because I got olives. You see me do my macaroni salad with olives. These are stuffed with minced pimentos. That's exactly the type I use. These are pricey in the supermarket. I don't have the exact dollar amount, but you could sure as heck bet your best buy is at Dollar Tree. Okay, 7 and 7, 8, almost 8 ounces. This is wonderful. So I grabbed these for my macaroni salad, my potato salad, whatever. Then next to them, I saw this one. This is Della Natura from Nature. olive medley Mediterranean recipe. Now this is Kalamata style and green olives. These are without the pimento, but the green. Now, here I'll show you up close. Look at that, how beautiful. Now this I got in case I want to do another macaroni salad, like I did the pasta de no mayo with the salami or the other cold cuts and, you know, celery, that thing, non-mayo. I said the Kalamata would be delicious in that. I had it even in, I made some macaroni salad again after the video for myself because we finished the other batch and I didn't have anything on hand. I ran out of the pimento, so I used a Kalamata olive and something else with the celery. It was delicious, even with the mayo. Just saying. So I grabbed these, and these were, I think, $1.50 each. In a supermarket, these would be easily $3.99, $4.99, easily. Okay, so I grabbed that. Now, what else? For my dry goods, I had to get organized, like I said, for the Christmas. I got these bins. Let me take my personal stuff out. These are great with the handle and the lock on. Okay, and these were $4 each. These were a little bit more, but that's okay because I bought two others in the past, and it has the clip-on. See, the handles clip on. Very nice. Okay, like that. I like that I could see everything. I'm going to be using them to condense. I have a couple of bins and things I don't like that are taking up the wrong amount of shelf space, the width and the configuration. I don't like it. I'm crazy like that. I'm a little OCD. And I like that I could stack these on one shelf and see right through of what I got for my Christmas stuff. So that, to me, is fantastic. Next, I have a notebook. I'm going back to school. Not really, but if you're like me, this is where my organized, this is where I keep all my recipes I'm going to make for you guys. Okay, this is where they are. Because I am such an organized cook. You would think that I have them organized, but I don't. I grab recipes from anywhere and everywhere, as I told you guys, all over the place. Some I'm able to print if I go out to Pinterest, but I don't always. If I do, Vinny will print it for me. He printed this because he wants these. He wants this. I'm not even going to show you because I'm going to do it. He wants this recipe done, so he said he'll help with the preparation. So we'll see. That may be coming very soon, but tonight we have something else planned I'm going to be cooking. Okay, cake mix to mini, but I don't know. But I'm going to try my best to look these all up, and if they're keepers, they're going to go into here, my keeper recipe book. I have another one in Florida, and eventually I'm going to have to condense everything. Next, I bought two of these folders for the printables, like that big one. I'm going to put them in here. All the ones with pictures and organized. We'll see how that goes. So it's a pack of two, and it was, I think, $1.25. You know, pack of two. That's nice. These are, you could use on anything. And last but not least, I'll show you when I finish organizing it. I rearranged my little office that Vinny made me in the bedroom, and I'm trying to get it really nice looking. He gave me the chair from the living room, which was mine originally in Florida, the swivel chair with the tufted top and the beige fabric that was, I let him use for the last 2 years. But it's back with me now. It's in my room, and it's making me love my little desk once again because the folding chair wasn't cutting it really. So now that I'm all into my office and I have a new swivel chair and I think I'm hot potatoes, I want to get my notes and things organized. So this is a little cork bulletin board with the little clips. So I'm going to put my little reminders and little things and whatever. You guys know what you do with your little board if you have one of these. So I'm super excited. I got stuff for my office. I got stuff to pack away my Christmas. I got stuff for my pantry to cook. And I'm just, oh, and one more thing, and this may help you. I got another little shaker because I use these with the small holes on top. You see me use it for my garlic. My pepper needed one. I keep these out. Salt, pepper, garlic, and then the other one I have, they sell these at the Dollar Tree too. I have my pepper flakes, okay? And you can also get another one, and you can keep it in the fridge with the Parmesan cheese. So when you make your pizzas, I used to do that. Matter of fact, I reminded myself to get another one. Okay, and that's it. Enough jibber jabber. Glad I shared it with you, what I bought today. I hope you take away some ideas for yourself, and I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got. I'm going to go now and probably organize. It's 2:55. I have about an hour to play, fixing and organizing. Then I got to get my butt in here to film tonight's recipe and dinner. I'll see you in the next video.